What if I told you that you have the power to take control of your health in ways you might not have imagined? Imagine a life where managing, preventing, and even reversing diabetes is within your reach. It might sound too good to be true, but with the right knowledge and tools, it is entirely possible. Let's dive into the world of diabetes management and explore how you can make significant changes to your lifestyle that will have a profound impact on your health and well-being. You have the power to manage and even reverse diabetes. Let's break it down. Diabetes is all about blood sugar management. For type 2, lifestyle changes are key. The journey begins with understanding what diabetes is and how it affects your body. Diabetes is a condition where your blood sugar levels are higher than normal, which can lead to serious health complications if not managed properly. But the good news is, with the right approach, you can take control of your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. Changes are key. Start with a diet rich in non-starchy veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Your diet plays a crucial role in managing diabetes. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and peppers are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice for keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Incorporating lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and tofu can help you feel full and satisfied without causing spikes in your blood sugar. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil can also support your overall health and help you maintain a balanced diet. Lean proteins and healthy fats. Next, move. 150 minutes of activity a week can do wonders. Physical activity is another essential component of diabetes management. Regular exercise helps your body use insulin more efficiently, which can lower your blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. You can also incorporate strength training exercises like lifting weights or doing body weight exercises to build muscle and improve your overall fitness. Remember, the key is to find activities that you enjoy and can stick with in the long term. A week can do wonders. And remember to regularly monitor your blood sugar. Keeping track of your blood sugar levels is crucial for managing diabetes. Regular monitoring can help you understand how different foods, activities, and medications affect your blood sugar. It can also help you identify patterns and make adjustments to your lifestyle as needed. Use a glucometer to check your blood sugar levels at home, and keep a health journal to record your readings, meals, and physical activities. This information can be invaluable when working with your healthcare team to develop a personalized diabetes management plan. Monitor your blood sugar, stay inspired, and take control of your health today. Managing diabetes is a lifelong journey, but with the right mindset and support, you can achieve your health goals. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or a diabetes support group. Stay informed about the latest research and advancements in diabetes care, and don't hesitate to seek help from healthcare professionals when needed. Remember, you have the power to make positive changes in your life and take control of your health. Start today and embrace the journey towards a healthier, happier you. Control of your health today. By making small, consistent changes to your diet, exercise routine, and daily habits, you can manage your diabetes effectively and improve your quality of life. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and stay motivated by setting realistic goals and tracking your progress. Remember, every step you take towards better health is a victory. So, take charge of your health, stay positive, and keep moving forward. Your journey to managing, preventing, and reversing diabetes starts now. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.